Bhel is one such Indian snack which is pretty much popular all around the world now. And what enhances the flavor is the 3 basic chutneys. Hi guys, this is Ruchi. Welcome to Rajshri Food, and let's begin with the recipe for the 3 basic chutneys for Bhel. Generally, at home we use date and tamarind to make this chutney. You can find the link in the description box below. But the street vendors use jaggery and tamarind to make it more economical. So today we're going to make that kind of chutney. So I'm going to start with heating a little bit of jaggery. I have around 1 cup of jaggery here that are finely chopped. Before I turn on the flame, I'm also going to add in all the dry spices. So let's add in half a teaspoon of coriander and cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of black salt, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida, half a teaspoon roasted cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of amchur or raw mango powder, 1/4 teaspoon of white salt. I'm going to use some tamarind in this chutney as well. I have some tamarind pulp ready over here which I'm going to add later on. But in case you have the whole tamarind, just add about a 2 inches ball of tamarind in this, add the water and start boiling this chutney. 1.5 cups of water. And now let's turn on the flame. Keep stirring till the jaggery melts. The jaggery is nicely melted and this needs to boil for at least a good 6 to 8 minutes till it comes to the perfect consistency. And now I'm going to add in the tamarind pulp. So around 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp. Give this a good mix and let it boil. While the sweet chutney is boiling, let's quickly make the spicy green chutney. So in the mixer grinder, I'm going to add a few ingredients. Starting with 1 tablespoon of peanuts. Next, I'm going to add in 4 to 5 dark green spicy green chilies. Just roughly break them. 1-inch piece of ginger chopped. 1 cup of coriander leaves. Now to keep this chutney nice and green, I have a few tips. The first one is add in all the spices, salt, lemon juice on top of the leaves. That helps in keeping this chutney nice and green. So first I'm going to add in a secret ingredient, that is cinnamon powder. It really gives a very nice punch to this chutney. So just a very small pinch of cinnamon powder. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder, salt to taste, some lemon juice, so around half a lemon. Let's give this a grind. Just half grind all the ingredients, and now time for the next step. To keep it nice and green, into this chutney, I'm going to add in about 3 to 4 cubes of ice. Just mix all the ingredients together. Let's check on this if it's a smooth paste. This is a smooth paste. But I need to water it down slightly, so I'm going to add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, give it a last grind, and it's done. This chutney is ready. This is the perfect consistency of a Bhel chutney. If you wish, you can water it down slightly even more. Let's quickly check on the sweet chutney as well. This chutney has reached a nice sticky consistency, and as it cools down, it's going to thicken slightly more. But this is perfect, and I'm going to turn off the flame now and let this cool down completely. and let's move on to the third chutney, which is the garlic chutney. For the garlic chutney, I have about 5 Kashmiri chilies that I've de-seeded and boiled for at least a good 10 minutes. If you don't have the whole dry Kashmiri chilies, you can always use about 1.5 teaspoons of the Kashmiri red chili powder. So the boiled chilies are ready. They're nicely cooled as well. Let's add it into the grinder. Next, add in about 12 to 13 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of amchur or raw mango powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Let's grind this into a smooth paste now. I'm going to add in a little bit of water to grind this into a smooth paste. Grind it again. This should be ready now. The perfect consistency and a very aromatic garlic chutney is ready. With all the 3 chutneys ready, let's just toss up some bhel. I have some kurmura or rice flakes here that I've roasted in a little bit of oil with some salt, curry leaves and some turmeric powder. And now time to assemble this entire dish. So let's add in some finely chopped potatoes, some finely chopped onions. Let's break in a couple of puris. Just crush them slightly. Pinch of salt. Just a dash of the garlic chutney because it's very spicy. Green chutney as per your liking. And the sweet jaggery chutney. A little bit of lemon juice. Let's toss all of this together. You can add in more or less. The quantity of the chutney is as per your liking. Let's just add in a little bit of fine save and some coriander leaf. Perfect. Do try this at home, comment below, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye-bye.